Good morning, class. We have already completed the two cellular part, that is RBCs, WBCs. Today we are going the third one, that is known as blood platelets or thrombocytes. So let us understand. It's colorless, spherical or irregular shaped tiny cell fragments. So this is colorless, but to make it nice, I've just colored it blue. Found in bone marrow. I've explained you that smaller than WBCs and RBCs, much more smaller than that. The main function is clotting of blood. Let us understand this clotting of blood now. A person gets injured, so bleeding will occur. Bleeding occurs, then it stops after some time. So due to the formation of a blood clot. Okay, so once a person bleeds, the bleeding will stop due to the formation of blood clot. So the main function of this is it helps to stop the blood. So that's why it's known as clotting of blood. Okay, so once again, blood platelets or thrombocytes, colorless, spherical or irregular shaped tiny cell fragments. It's found in bone marrow, smaller than WBCs and RBCs. Main function is clotting of blood. A person gets injured, bleeding occurs, it stops after some time due to the formation of a blood clot. Okay, so let us understand the differences now. We have done the three cellular part. So differences will be differences between RBCs, WBCs and platelets. So this is irregular shape. It can be round, spherical, anything. Alright, so we have RBC biconcave in shape, irregular shape. Platelets also irregular shape. First one is no nucleus, has presence of nucleus, has fragments with nucleus. So each and every platelets will have a small cells nucleus. The lifespan means it's going to last how many days? That is 120 days. This is going to last for 2 or 3 weeks. This dies, another will repair. Means another RBCs, another WBCs will be formed. Another this will be formed. If you don't have this RBC, then there is a suffering. Okay, if you don't have WBC, then there is a suffering. If there is too much of RBC, it is just, you should know this also, it's very important. If there is abnormal increase in RBC, it is known as polycythemia. And if there is abnormal decrease in RBC, that is known as erythropenia. These are important things you need to know, because next 7, then in class 8 you need to know this, in class 10 also you need to know this. All right, so it's very important that you know a little bit of this. Abnormal increase in RBC is known as polycythemia. Abnormal decrease in RBC is known as erythropenia. Abnormal increase of WBC is known as leukemia. Okay, abnormal decrease of WBC, leukopenia. We were talking of the lifespan, that it lasts for 120, and there is less number, it has a special name. It's more number, it has a special name. It is red in color, and WBCs are colorless, and this is also colorless. So this is all we are going to learn today. So just remember, platelets, colorless, spherical and irregular shaped, found in bone marrow. Function is clotting of blood.